guys. So sunny today, yes. Sunny. The same thing as today. Dimple's already here. The sun is shining bright here. The bright Dimple. And Tommy's morning thing. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. That's what he's doing, guys. Are you kidding me? I never play with my phone.
Yeah.
With the game, no. Huh?
Well, you were the one who started
Huh?
playing games on the freaking phone.
Yeah, he's playing busy, guys. He's busy.
Ways around it because otherwise you don't have enough to get it done. Can you try it? See if you can do one.
He's leaving today, guys, and that's what he does.
See if you can do one.
Instead of me. Instead of playing with
one.
No.
Why? Huh? Because you know you can't. Because I know you can't. You do one.
What level are you? 59?
Yeah.
No. Oh, the bug is up, baby. The bug is up. Garing. Who is it? And Roxy girl. I've been playing with you. I'm hugging you. Pancake I'm making. I'm gonna make pancake again, guys. This is never-ending pancake, guys, in this house. If you want pancake, don't go to IHOP. Come into this house. There's ton of pancake here. Roxy, Misty, out there. Out. What is you doing it? Roxy love it like that. I don't know, you trying to do? You trying to karate her? Oh, what's your face? That's how she ruined my teeth. Honey. What's your face, son, when you do that? Because when I hug her, I said, try to bite. I put my face close to her face, honey. Okay, I don't let go. I said, but she do like this, and later, and then, okay, try to bite me. You're gonna be in trouble really bad if you do that.
You'd be the one with holes in your face.
And she won't do that, and she just like growl, and then, you know, we're gonna have breakfast done. Honey. Han, pancake it is, huh? No bread. You said you don't like pancake, but you're gonna have bread.
You can't dump a pancake in egg.
Yes, you can. It's really good. I tried that before.
You're supposed to have bread before you do egg. You make an egg that's like that, and you're supposed to have bread ready to dump it. Not to make it that way, then you should scramble it.
Sorry, sir. Your chef doesn't know how to cook. What is it? I played that game, Han. Seriously?
You played it?
I have that before in my old iPhone.
And?
I like it. You don't even know how to do that. Look at that. You still have a ton of colors.
You always have a ton of colors. They keep giving you the wrong colors. The idea is to try and...
I'm really good with that.
Look at this.
Holy, holy moly na. Holy moly na. Somebody's busy making something. Somebody who what? Why are you putting that in there?
Flavor.
I cleaned the shower already, which is good. Already clean. And yeah, it's clean white already. And that's the shampoo, guys, I use. The argan oil, of course, the Head and Shoulder is always. Head and Shoulders always clean the whole rug with this. I just want to clean the whole rug. This is what we use for the pet if they have an accident. This is what we use from Bizel. Pet stain and odor. Help removes pet stain and odors.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I'm done cleaning. Yeah, it's clean already. Yep. Goodness, that was Hi baby. It's so nice out here. It's always on. Every night.
Hi.
Hi. Weathers. Guys, this weather is a Philippine weather. Perfect. I don't complain, hon.
A nice breeze here.
Yeah, you have a nice breeze over there in the Philippines. Yeah, be a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. How about the thing, hon?
Oh, thanks. She says, I'm staying with my grandma where I'm safe.
Yeah, she came right away and hid behind my chair.
Yeah, imagine that.
Now she said, well, they're just walking around. I'll go look.
At least a flea collar.
Yeah.
Fixing the wrong side.
Yeah. Oh my god, I don't hurt to make my camera wet.
I save them for when they'll get to really hard levels. Alright, hon. Hon? Hon. Look at hon.
I'm showering you clean, baby. And you said ouch. And say ouch, hon. Ouch.
Everybody say ouch. Keep saying ouch. Ouch.
Crazy. Look at him, he's so busy. Oy. We just finished doing live on YouTube, guys. And then Tommy, after I hung up, he's on the phone playing again.
I text Andrea that we're still here. If you want to come by for dinner or morning, just let me know.
Okay. Yes. Bye. It's low, but I'll be right back, hon.
Want some scotch? Puppets? Scotch?
Thank you guys for watching the live.
On turkey, right?
I think there is still in the
I
basement.
need to go to Hannaford. Oh, I need to get them turkey while I'm here. They already don't like me no more. Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Piece of crap.
Okay, let me go downstairs to check if we have. Because Tommy is going crazy because of Hubs. He is like that, guys.
But they don't want to be near me.
When it comes to Hubsy bug, he is like, he's crazy. He loves Hubs so much that it hurts him every time Hubs doesn't come to him. This just like bothers him so much. It's kind of weird. I found one. Han, do you want this defrost?
What?
Turkey. Defrost it? It's okay. Going to put it out here. You think it will defrost really nice?
Well, really quick.
Okay.
Are you kidding?
Huh?
Are you kidding? How long do you think ice would last? I don't play with it.
Okay.
See the way we're actually looking at?
No, you can't.
Frozen.
Okay.
The other house is very special. As you look around the place,
Hi. Tignan niya guys, I'm watching Mimi. Look at these two cats guys. Dimples and Hubs. Jet plane. Good evening guys. I think it's almost 8 o'clock already. Yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. Look at Tommy. We're gonna spy him. Spy. Spying. Spying him. Spy. We had dinner already guys, and tomorrow morning early Tommy and my mother-in-law will go to the other house because Tommy is working.
Never heard that question?
No, Tommy, guys, Tommy said that the birds in here fly south. That means go to Florida, Miami, Bahamas.
They fly towards warmer weather when it gets really cold.
That's a long fly, hon.
Yeah, that's what they do.
They come back here for the weather. They have the same weather. Why they come back over here?
This is home. Why do people go on vacation and come back home?
You think they know?
Apparently.
No, now you're making that up. They're coming back here because it's home. They're birds, and wherever the food is, there to go.
Maybe the summer is too hot there.
But I saw same birds in summer and winter here. I saw those black birds.
Yeah, some birds don't go. I mean, a lot of birds do. You don't see as many birds in winter.
And they're kind of very noisy. That blackbirds in winter make too much noise. I think they're looking for food or something.
That's another thing. They can't get worms from under the ground because the ground's frozen.
Yeah. Roxy is staring at the neighbor right now.
She's looking for what's her name? What's the dog's name?
Ashley.
Ashley?
He doesn't believe me, guys, that the wind makes me fart, especially if the fan, I'm facing the fan, facing to my body. I end up like panuhot. If you are a Bisaya, you know what is panuhot. Like you feel like you have gassy and stuff like that. That's how I feel. And then why American doesn't believe it? Tommy doesn't believe panuhot. I don't know what's the English of panuhot, but every time I remember when I was in the Philippines, I kind of like, you know, I have this boarding house, very little, small, and I have the ceiling fan, and then even though it's so hot, I don't turn it on at night because I end up having panuhot. I kind of gassy, and I keep farting, and I have stomach pain. They don't believe it. That guy right there doesn't believe me. Yeah. Sometimes that's why if there is a fan, for example, if this fan is turning and it's towing the fan, it, you know, it makes me bloated, or it makes me gassy and have stomach pain. We're gonna go night night, guys. Night night. And Tom is going to go to sleep early because.
Hey, Megan, don't put me on camera.
No, only your head.
Yeah. Good. The problem is it gets hot in here, and then you go to the bathroom, and the bathroom's very cold because the door is closed.
Oh yeah, just and then when I
Same
sit down.
Same as in the winter, it's like the bathroom is very hot because the door is closed.
When I sit down.
I mean, I like that. It's not freezing to me, but I'm saying.
No, but in the winter, I always feel so good when I get in.
Because it's very hot in the bathrooms in the winter. Yeah. Me, I like it because the house says, "Wow, it's hot. Let's keep the air conditioner going." But anytime you get that room closed and the vent going in that room, you just make it colder and colder.
So it needs
Same
to be
as
open.
in the winter. Same as it says, "Oh, it's cold in here. Let's keep the heat going," and it's closed, so it keeps. That's because you're keeping the doors closed. If the doors were open, it wouldn't be a problem.
Good night, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Diane.
Okay, not yet. I'm gonna put you down, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. I seen you already, Bob. Look at us, guys. Come here, Dad is right here.